All hard work is pay off. Wow, it's so beautiful.
They're good.
Skinny, so fatty.
Oh, I got electric skillet, guys.
Want a sweet?
It's so beautiful. Is this beautiful, guys? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Welcome back to my channel, the David the Amerika. Everything about travel, food, adventure, and daily vlog. Today we are celebrating Christmas at our office. Christmas is about happiness and togetherness. The joy spread the love for all over the world. We usually just go to the restaurant and get together with all co-workers. But this time we do different thing. We prepare everything by ourselves. I think will be so much fun. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end, okay? Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also turn notification on so you will not miss my next video.
Look at our office, guys. It's decorated wonderfully. Wow! What do you guys think about it? You also like it?
Let's see, guys, how we prepare the food. Barbecue short rib, okay?
We grill the short ribs and also the chicken in the outside in the parking lot. At the meantime, some staff are busy to decorate the room.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that.
Very nice Christmas tree. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so detailed and everything is so wonderful.
Look at that, guys. Is that beautiful? Wow. What do you guys think about this? Wonderful, isn't it? Wow. Not only the party, but we also will have white elephant here for the gift exchange and also games.
I think the gifts will be more and more later. We're still waiting some people come in. Let's go back to the outside to see how the short ribs and chicken are cooked. I can smell the barbecue from here. It's really mouth-watering. And the smell of the barbecue, oh my God. I could not wait to taste it.
They're good.
Skinny, so fatty.
Wow, smells so good, man.
Love it.
And now, we also done with the barbecue chicken and vegetable. They all look so yummy.
Okay guys, we finished the decoration. Look at the end result. Oh my God.
Wow! It's so beautiful. All hard work is paid off. Everyone did a very good job. Enjoy an exciting Christmas wonderland. Can you imagine? We are sitting here watching the snow falling down from the sky. It's a white Christmas. In the meantime, there is campfire around you. Is that beautiful? It feels so peaceful, and that will be a perfect, wonderful life. Well, this is just my imagination. The gifts are already piling up. I cannot wait to get mine. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It's simple, but it feels very nice. Everyone looks so happy, so excited. That is what Christmas is about.
Samsung has that.
Let's start the party, guys! Yay!
Do we need more chairs? Oh, Chef, you can sit on the VIP.
Yeah, this is a VIP thing.
Barbecue short rib. Wow, look yummy. Barbecue chicken. Look at that, it looks so tasty. Grilled vegetables. Looks so fresh. Fried rice. Fish cake with egg. It looks so appetizing. Japchae noodle. Make me hungry. And then the side kimchi and cucumber. And of course, it has fruit platter. Look at that strawberry, it's so big. Hello.
Look at this, guys. Wow. Happy holidays.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Happy holiday, everyone.
Happy holidays.
Really creative. Then they
Enjoy the food, everyone.
That's okay, just leave it like that.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god.
Japchae noodle is a classic Korean stir-fried noodle.
The japchae noodle is yummy. So it's not too salty. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect taste. Yummy. Let's try the short chips. Look at that. So it's barbecue perfectly.
Who doesn't like short rib? Most people love it.
The beef itself is tender, barbecue wonderfully. Yummy.
Barbecue chicken is one of my favorite food.
The taste is just right. So tasty. Look at it.
The fish cake looks so delicious.
It's not too chewy. And the fish cake, so yummy. Wow. Let's try the fried rice. It has eggs and then some veggies, some meat. The fried rice is a bit bland, but I still can eat it. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's delicious, by the way. I cooked everything, I bought everything, and so these are all my friends who are enjoying the food. Is it good, David?
That's very good.
Very good.
David, does it done?
I'm done.
Later, you're hungry again.
Let's have the second round for the dessert and fruit. So, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, inside is like a veggie. It's sweet, a little bit salty. It's good, yummy.
Hello there, everyone in Winter Wonderland. It cannot be said that they don't know how to throw parties because this is the party of the year.
I agree. Cranberry, guys, and you make it a golden brown. It's doing great. Wow. Everyone, happy holiday! Cheers! This is a cranberry. Wow. So it made perfectly. Look at that. It's supposed to be like that. It's little bit hard, but it's not overly hard. And look at this. It's yummy. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It tastes a little bit like a coffee.
She doesn't want you to get a big head.
Mild, but tasty, so tasty. Wow. This is so delicious. I love it. Wow. Thank you.
Pick a number.
White elephant, guys.
Lucky number.
Right, 12.
Number 1. Oh, he did. Number 2.
What is it?
Oh, glass jar. The first gift. Oh, thermos mug. The second gift. Blanket. Next. Small speaker.
No, that's it. I picked this one. Oh, same thing.
Oh, I got electric skillet, guys.
Oh, I think I need this one.
What is it? What is it? Lime plant?
Oh, I like this one.
Is that where the charger stand? Wow.
Want a string? Want a string?
Games time, guys.
Is to unwrap as much as you can of this gift before the person next to you rolls a double dice.
Okay.
So once the person next to you rolls a double, you have to hand off the gift to them, and then it goes on and on until the next person until it ends.
Let's do it. Everybody.
She has the dice.
I get the dice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is hard. You can do that.
No. No.
That wasn't. You lied to me.
No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Unwrap it. Unwrap it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Got two.
I sure?
Yeah. I don't know where's
Here, David. Where's the beginning?
I'm cheating, David.
Where's the beginning at?
I know you have to move on.
Let's go look for it.
Ah, double.
Oh my goodness.
Can't find it.
You can find it. You have to find it.
Oh, okay.
Find what? The end. Shalini, where did you put the end? Oh my gosh. Oh
I have really bad luck, guys. It's impossible. I'm waiting. I didn't see it. It don't count. It was on the floor.
Beer.
One double. Celebrate, celebrate.
Bye. Bye.
Double.
I think Josh is waiting.
I'm giving Josh a chance. Let me see what's in there. Is it worth it? Let's see.
What's that?
This is what I got.
It's ginger beer. Wow.
That's all my video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also turn notification on so you will not miss my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.